the region, Bangla belongs to another region, India is a country of regions. So all these have to be properly called only as national languages. That is what our constitution says. It says all the 22 languages are national languages.
Okay.
And Hindi is only an official language and English is an associate official language as long as people of non-Hindi speaking states want that to continue.
Okay.
That is the constitutional position.
चित्रा जी,
जो कुछ बातें अभी हमारे तमिलनाडु के भाई ने कही यहाँ पर वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आजादी के पहले और आजादी के बाद भी ये विरोध हुआ कि हम पर हिंदी थोपी न जाए और उसके लिए 15 साल जेट्टी जी ने जैसा कहा 15 साल का वक्त दिया गया।
என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல। இப்ப அவங்க என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாம நான் எப்படி அவங்க பேசிட்டு இருக்கிறது நான் பதில் சொல்ல முடியும்? எனக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு மொழியில அவங்க பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க, அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு மொழியில நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். இப்ப நான் என்னுடைய மொழியில தான் இங்க பேசுறது முடிவு பண்ணேன். இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை தொடர்ந்து நான் தமிழ்ல பேசுறேன், அவங்க ஹிந்தியில பேசிட்டோம், நம்ம தாராளமா நிகழ்ச்சி நடத்தலாம். Let me submit up for you in English. If she goes to speak on in a language which I don't understand, and if I can speak in a language which she can't understand, this program cannot go on.
मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं तमिलनाडु में जन्मी हूँ, मैं चेन्नई में जन्मी हूँ, वड़क्कम से लेके बहुत कुछ मैंने सीखा है, लेकिन एक देश की अखंडता और उसको
just saying vanakkam is not the issue. I can also say dhanyavad, I can also say namaskar.
I'm from UP, but
the whole thing will be a mess.
Yeah, I can speak in Tamil.
no, I don't accept this.
Okay, so can I?
I need to know what is being spoken.
Can I, for the sake of this argument, this debate, I beg your pardon, maybe we can keep it in English.
No.
You will not speak English.
Then I'll speak only in Tamil. Then I'll speak only in Tamil.
I'll speak only in Telugu.
Yeah, I'll speak only in Tamil.
I will leave. इस अपमान को कौन बर्दाश्त करेगा? आखिर मैं भी आपके देश की हूँ और अगर मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहती हूँ,
Hindi and understand you.
No, I am not.
I don't even understand you.
Forcing nobody.
Now, Vikram, I want to
This is only for the level of a point of order in India. Ma'am.
किसकी भाषा है अंग्रेजी? किसकी भाषा? हमारी
किसकी भाषा है?
संस्कृत हमारी
My language is 2,000 and 3,000 years old. It is one of the oldest languages of the world.
I don't know whose language is
And you do not know my oldest language.
When
That is
Ambedkar
your pity.
wanted to learn Sanskrit, no Brahmin Pandit was willing to teach him. And he wanted to learn Sanskrit. They did not teach us.
Sir,
Today when we are learning English, these people whose children go to English medium schools, those who are talking about Hindi nationalism, where are their children studying? Are their children studying in Hindi medium schools or in English medium, St. Anne, St. Mary, St. Joseph? Where are they studying?
Okay, so
That's
English.
all.
Because
this debate can happen
मजबूरी है
only
इस
if it happens
देश
in
में
English.
आज 66 वर्ष बाद भी
You teach your
अपनी
children in English
राष्ट्रभाषा को
medium,
बोलते
make them global.
என்ன பேசுறீங்க?
Oh, you are going to
living in England.
Now you are going to
Can the three of you please? Can I declare linguistic peace on this show?
Let me make one point.
No, wait. Kanchani, one second.
आपने बात कहने दे मुझे।
चित्रा जी,
आप तमिलनाडु में तो अपनी बात कहते हैं, मुझे भी यहाँ कहने दे। मुझे ही अपनी बात कहते हैं।
Tamil வந்து ஒரு global language. Tamil is a global language today.
Can I declare linguistic peace here for a moment? Just for a minute. Please, ma'am, sir. Thank you. You know, for the sake of this particular debate, I know you know how to speak Tamil, you can speak in Telugu and you can speak in Hindi, ma'am. This is actually right now, it's not actually an insult because this channel is an English language channel and so is the show. So if we are speaking in English, it's not an insult to Hindi that we are speaking in English right now. If you did not understand English, ma'am, I would be happy you could speak in Hindi and I'll translate it for you. And
I can say I don't understand English and I can leave this program immediately.
Oh, you will refuse to speak in English as a matter of policy?
I'm refusing.
ये
अपमान मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती।
नहीं,
आप मत बोलिए, आप मत बोलिए।
We will allow it. We will allow it. We will allow it.
Fine, I will allow her to speak in Hindi. I'll translate. If we can get somebody to translate.
We are fighting all the time.
No, we are more nationalists. Let us allow us to speak in Hindi.
You translate it for us.
We will learn all languages.
You translate it
We are
for us.
better nationalists.
We give you a concession.
Yeah, we will give a concession.
Yes, ma'am, you can speak in Hindi. I'll translate.
We are more liberal and more accommodating than parochial and chauvinist like you.
1650 में ब्रिटेन में फ्रेंच कानून की भाषा थी और लैटिन शिक्षा की भाषा थी। 1650 में ब्रिटेन की संसद में वहां के एक याचिका दायर की गई कि हम विदेशी भाषा की गुलामी छोड़ देंगे 1650 में।
तो इनका sorry, why am I translating it
now,
Hindi for you?
Angrezi
I'm very confused now.
English
No, hang on. I think her point
somebody to
is
translate
I don't want to
Hindi.
participate if anybody's
right.
देश की नागरिक होकर मेरा ऐसा अपमान किया जा सकता है।
who's insulting you,
நான்
ma'am?
தமிழ்ல பேசிட்டே போறேன்
Ma'am, who's insulting you right now?
இதே மாதிரி நானும்
If you are refusing to speak in English,
அதுக்கு அர்த்தமே கிடையாது. மிக சிறப்பான தமிழை என்னால பேச முடியும். இதை விட அதிகமான வரலாற்று பேச
we've
முடியும்.
sorted this issue out. You're speaking in Hindi. I'm translating for you. Her basic point is why speak in a
Then
foreign
you have to
language.
translate
hang
me
on.
from Tamil to English.
No, I don't speak Tamil.
Yeah,
Please
that's
translate for
my
yourself.
equal right.
Who speaks Tamil?
It's my equal right. I'll
Somebody
speak
who
in
speaks Tamil, help me.
You ask somebody to translate it into English.
All right, one second.
I want to
I
do
also can exercise
Can
my right.
can I just break away from this? Can we come to you now for a minute?
please.
Let me just break away from this. If you'd see where this entire thing came from Lord Macaulay, if you really want to go back in history, when Lord Macaulay came in and he said, I propose we replace her old and ancient education system, her culture,